In the late 1700s, the French colony of Saint-Domingue, today's Haiti, was the wealthiest colony in the world. Its sugar plantations fueled European wealth, but at a terrible cost. Nearly 500,000 enslaved Africans toiled under unimaginable cruelty, whipped, starved, and worked to death. Their suffering was hidden behind the luxury of Europe's sweet tooth. But beneath the whip and chains, a fire of resistance was growing. In 1791, whispers of freedom turned into a storm. Inspired by the French Revolution's cry for liberty, enslaved Africans in Saint-Domingue rose up in the night. Torches lit the sky as plantations burned. The enslaved transformed from victims into warriors, striking fear into the hearts of their oppressors. What began as rebellion soon became the greatest slave uprising the world had ever seen. From the flames of rebellion rose a leader, Toussaint Louverture. Once enslaved, he taught himself to read, studied strategy, and mastered diplomacy. Unlike others, he fought not only with swords, but with vision. Toussaint united rebels, inspired courage, and outsmarted European generals. He became the heart of the revolution, the man who would turn chaos into destiny. The Haitian Revolution shook the world. France, Spain, and Britain, three mighty empires, sent armies to crush the uprising. They thought a band of former slaves could never defeat their power. But Toussaint and his rebels fought with fire in their hearts. They knew they were not just fighting for land, but for freedom itself. Against impossible odds, they turned the tide of history. In 1804, after years of struggle, the impossible became reality. Haiti declared independence, the first free black republic in the world. The enslaved had defeated Napoleon's armies, shattered the chains of empire, and claimed their destiny. From the ashes of plantations rose a new nation, built on the dream of freedom. Haiti's victory was not just for itself. It sent a message across the globe. No power can silence a people who demand to be free.